guys, this is why going to Polytechnic IDN. And I wanna English class. I wanna go in English class. Oh, this is big car. And this is my friend riding motorcycle. Hello guys, right now we have finished English lesson and we gonna going to home. This is my friends, my friends. This is day 9. Yes, I forgot. Hey guys, now we are memorizing the Quran in my campus. This is mosque in campus Polytechnic IDN. Our focus in reading Quran. Right now I waiting by Isha. I wanna pray in this mosque. This is my friends.